Hello aspirants, welcome to Insights IAS Daily Current Affairs for your UPSC CSE preparation. At Insights IAS, our focus is simple: structured learning, exam precision, and consistent daily revision. Every session is designed to convert current news into prelims-ready facts and elimination tools. In today's session, we are analyzing the most critical facts for the upcoming prelims. Alright, let's look at our agenda. Today, we will be covering 6 critical topics for your preparation. First, the Consumer Price Index. Second, the Parliamentary Privilege Notice. Third, the use of indigenous dog breeds in our security forces. Fourth, the conservation of Dal Lake. Fifth, Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati. And finally, the Dornier 228 aircraft. Let us begin with the first topic. So, our first topic is from the Indian economy section. It's the Consumer Price Index, or CPI. Now, why is this in the news? It's because of a very important revision of its base year. To begin, understand the static foundation first. What exactly is the CPI? It's an index. Its function is to measure the change in retail prices for a fixed basket of goods and services, things that households like yours and mine consume. Its core purpose, and this is crucial, is to serve as India's headline retail inflation indicator. Now, let's explore this further. The nodal ministry is the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, that's MOSPI, and the data is published by the National Statistical Office, or NSO. You must know these bodies. So, here is the core reason this is in the news: the base year revision. The base year for the CPI has been updated from 2012 to 2024. And the weights for this new series are derived from the latest Household Consumption Expenditure Survey of 2023 to 2024. This is a volatile fact. Memorize it precisely. The new series also has several updated features that are very relevant for your examination. For instance, the classification has expanded from 6 to 12 categories. The item basket itself is now larger, moving from 299 to 358 items. There's also an increased focus on services like OTT platforms and healthcare. But critically, for the very first time, the new series includes rural house rent data. This superlative makes it a high probability MCQ statement. Aspirants, take note. UPSC may swap the nodal ministry, MOSPI, with the Ministry of Finance to create a trap. Be very clear on this. And remember to link this to the static topic, measures of inflation, in your economy notes. Alright. Prelims recall, 5-second revision, year 2024 base. Ministry, MOSPI. Trap, confusion with the Ministry of Finance. Let's move to our second topic, which comes from Polity, the Parliamentary Privilege Notice. This is a procedural device you will often see in the news. Let's understand the static foundation first. What is a privilege notice? It is a formal complaint lodged by a member of parliament who alleges that a breach of privilege or a contempt of the House has occurred. Now, the constitutional basis for these privileges is found primarily in 2 articles. Article 105 for the privileges of Parliament and Article 194 for the privileges of state legislatures. The procedure is very precise. First, a member submits a written notice. Then the presiding officer, that is, the Speaker or the Chairman, decides on its admissibility. If it is admitted, the matter is either discussed in the House directly or, more commonly, referred to the Committee of Privileges for a thorough investigation. That committee then submits a report, after which the House makes the final decision. Always remember, Article 105 talks about the privileges of Parliament and Article 194 talks about the privileges of state legislatures. Our third topic for today concerns internal security. Specifically, the Assam Rifles is now inducting indigenous dog breeds into its K9 units. Please focus on the core prelims facts here. 2 specific breeds are mentioned. First, the Tangkhul Hui, which is also known as Haufa from Manipur, and second, the Kombai from Tamil Nadu. Note that the Tangkhul Hui is already deployed, while the Kombai is scheduled for induction. For the exam, you must memorize the state of origin for each breed. as this is a very common format for matching type questions. Be sure to link this to the static topic, role of various security forces. Okay, prelims recall, 5-second revision. Breed, Tankul Hui, State, Manipur. Breed, Kombai, State, Tamil Nadu. And the trap, incorrectly matching these breeds to their origin states. Alright, our fourth topic is from environment and ecology. Dal Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is in the news after the government shelved the earlier restoration plan and proposed an in situ conservation strategy that allows dwellers to remain within the lake ecosystem. First, let's understand the static foundation. Dal Lake is an urban freshwater lake, and it is located in Srinagar. What's crucial to remember is that it's hydrologically connected to the Jhelum river system. That connection to the Jhelum, a tributary of the Indus, is a key fact. It is also famous for its unique floating gardens, which are locally called Radh. You should link this to the static topic, conservation and environmental degradation. Now, 5-second revision. Location, Srinagar. River system, Jhelum, trap, confusing its river connection with other Himalayan rivers. Next, our fifth topic takes us to modern Indian history. We are discussing Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati on the occasion of his 202nd birth anniversary. Let's note the key chronological facts of his life. He was born in 1824 in Gujarat. In 1875, he founded the Arya Samaj, which was a pivotal socio-religious reform movement, and he passed away in 1883. That year, 1875, the founding of the Arya Samaj, this is a volatile fact. Memorize it precisely. His core philosophy was very clearly encapsulated in his famous call Back to the Vedas, and his most influential literary work is, of course, the Satyarth Prakash. He strongly opposed blind ritualism, superstition, and idol worship, advocating a rational and reformist interpretation of Hinduism. He challenged caste by birth and emphasized merit-based social order. He actively supported women's education and opposed practices such as child marriage. Through the Arya Samaj, he promoted Vedic learning, social reform, and cultural awakening, which later influenced nationalist thought. Some of his other important works include Sanskar Vidhi, which dealt with reformed Vedic rites and sacraments, and Rigvedadi Bhashya Bhumika, along with partial commentaries on the Rig Veda and Yajur Veda. You must link this to the static topic, socio-religious reform movements of the 19th century. Alright, 5-second revision. Year of Arya Samaj, 1875. Key work, Satyarth Prakash, Slog. And back to the Vedas. Now for our final topic today. This is from Defense Technology. The Dornier 228 aircraft, which is being procured for the Indian Coast Guard. So, let's understand the static foundation here. The Dornier 228 is a twin-engine utility aircraft. Its key feature is its short takeoff and landing capability. But the most critical fact for your prelims is its manufacturer. It is manufactured in India by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. This procurement is highly significant for the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative because it falls under the Buy Indian category. Okay, 5-second revision. Manufacturer, HAL. User agency, Indian Coast Guard. Trap, confusing the manufacturing agency HAL with the R&D agency DRDO. We will now conclude with a rapid revision of the high probability areas we have discussed and a clear strategy for organizing your notes. Let's recap. Today's high probability prelims areas are as follows. First, remember the nodal ministry for CPI is MOSPI, not the Ministry of Finance. Second, you must distinguish between Article 105 for the privileges of Parliament and Article 194 for the privileges of state legislatures. Third, correctly match the indigenous dog breeds to their states of origin. Tankul Hui with Manipur, Kombai with Tamil Nadu. And finally, identify that HAL is the manufacturer of the Dornier 228 aircraft, not DRDO. For your structured note making, here is a beginner's pro tip. Note the CPI topic under GS Paper 3, Indian Economy. The privilege notice should be noted under GS 2, Parliament. The topic on indigenous breeds goes under GS 3, Security. Dal Lake falls under GS 3, Environment. Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati is for GS 1, Modern History. And the Dornier 228 should be noted under GS 3, Defense Technology. For the full current affairs article and high yield MCQs, visit Insights on India.